Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. I'm Laura.
I'm Shelby.
And we're opening up our advent calendar.
Woo!
We're on what day? I forget. 15. That's right. 15. And you're odd. Oh, boy, that has so many meanings. You're the odd number, so you get to open up 15. Where is it? There it is. We both. When they do the bright red, it's hard to see. I can see on the greens and the maroon.
It's Santa's motorcycle.
Oh, Santa scooter. Okay, that one's cute.
I have the glitter on my finger now.
I always love those little scooters that you see people driving around in Europe, like the Vespas. I've always wanted one of those. Do you know, I don't know if it's true for the whole country, but you still have to have a motorcycle's license in order to drive a Vespa on the road. Yep.
Makes sense.
So I guess if I'm ever going to get one, I got to get a motorcycle license.
They forgot to include that in Luca.
Well, yeah, and it may not be that way in...
I mean, it is a made-up place.
Yeah. So their laws could be different.
Anyway.
Which I still need to watch that.
Yes.
She's talking about the movie Luca.
Yes, it's a good movie.
Yeah. And unbeknownst to her, at some point I'm going to make her watch The Christmas Shoes.
No.
Yes.
The reason I don't want to is because I heard the song the first time and couldn't stop crying.
Oh.
For like 30 minutes.
I know it has to do with the choir singing, the children singing.
The story.
That one always kind of gets to me. It's so poignant.
It was always just a story for me. Anyway.
Yeah, don't start tearing up now. We haven't even started watching it yet. All right, well, then I'll watch it and I'll keep a box of tissues close by. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this 15th day of opening our advent calendar. And you can see we're really getting a nice collection here. 2 bracelets, a necklace, and some charms. And the link, of course, this would be a nice present to have under the tree. Of course, it wouldn't be one thing per day, but any girl would love this. Opening it all up and then having a cute bracelet. Link for that is down in the description. And of course, if you don't like that bracelet, you can always buy one from me on Avon. That link is down there too. Hey, I've seen some of those, and it's been really hard. See, we have a rule: we don't buy for ourselves after Thanksgiving, because you never know when someone's going to be buying something. And in my past, we bought something for ourselves, and then somebody had already bought that for you, and then they had to return it, and it was such a pain. So I'm not allowed to buy anything for myself. So it's been hard, because I've seen some of that Christmas jewelry and the bracelets and things, and they're so cute, and I want one, but I'm not allowed.
Time to end your sub story.
Having myself a pity party. We're going to break out with the violin anytime now.
You're not even holding it right.
Oh, I don't know how to hold it. Like this?
No.
No? How? Oh, it's this way?
You gotta it goes under your chin.
Yeah?
There you go.
Okay. now I can play the violin. And maybe I'll do that once you guys are out of the house and I have all the time to myself. Oh! I suddenly have something I want to add to my wish list. I want a violin. So I can learn. That's how I'll wake them up in the mornings, getting them ready for school. What do you think? Yeah?
I'd rather you just get cymbals.
Cymbals! She'd rather cymbals over me playing the violin.
Because then they're just loud, not painful.
I think she's saying I'm going to be screeching if I try to play. God bless you. Music's not my forte. I think I'll just sing on my singer. Or, I don't own a singer anymore. I own a brother's. Yes.
Moving on.
We hope you've enjoyed our light banter and our fashion jewelry advent calendar.
Bye.
No, what else do you say?
Be sure to like and subscribe.
And don't forget to come back. We'll see you right here next time on
Crazy Dave's Crew.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.